Welcome to how to install the air vent cover lock on Presto pressure canners and cookers. To remove the old air vent cover lock, grasp and securely hold the pin portion with your fingers. With your other hand, turn the cup portion counterclockwise until it is free. Lift the pin portion out of the cover and remove the cup portion from under the cover. Use a small nylon brush to clean the cover hole. Make sure the gasket is in place on the threaded shaft of the cup portion. Insert the threaded shaft through the top of the air vent cover lock opening. While holding the pin portion with one hand, use the other to screw the cup portion clockwise onto the threaded shaft until finger tight. Do not use a wrench to tighten the air vent cover lock. When properly installed, the word "top" will be visible on the air vent cover lock when viewed from the top of the cover. Periodically check to make sure these two pieces are tight. For more information, visit gopresto.com.